Good morning, this is Eric Burnley and Tom Rivers with Burnley Associates, continuing with our product spotlight series. Today we are going to be going over the WAC wall wash series along with the new linear Pathlight that WAC has out, a cool new fixture that we all think you're going to like. So WAC has really changed the game in terms of their adjustability on their wall wash fixtures, and there's a couple new fixtures out that you're really going to enjoy. There's actually three wall washes, three different sizes in the series, but we're going to talk about the small and the large one that really have the adjustability that we're going to be looking for here. So the first one we're going to talk about is our 5121 wall wash. Now, this is available in black finish, and it's going to be available in a bronze finish. And it's got two really cool adjustable features on it. So you'll be able to adjust the wattage like all our other fixtures. We'll be able to go from 1 watt to 9 watt. But a very cool option about this, similar to in our hardscape videos, which you all saw a few months back, we're able to adjust the Kelvin temperature, 2700 and 3000 Kelvin. So as we go further on, we'll light these up so you can see sort of how they work. But it's a very cool, very compact fixture, very affordable fixture that you can use on trees, you can use on a house, you can use on signs. Very easy to use. You won't be able to adjust the beam spread on this. It has a fixed beam spread, but on the one we're going to talk about going forward, you can adjust the beam spread on it. So very simple fixture, very easy to use. It's going to make your lives a lot easier when you're doing those specialty designs and those specialty items that you need to light up. So this is the 5121 with WAC. The next fixture is the 5221. Now this is a new product from WAC. This is the big one in the line here. Okay, so you can go all the way up from 3 watts all the way up to 26 watts of LED. So this has a lot of commercial use to it as long as residential use. Some cool features about this is you have your wattage adjustability, but you also have a beam spread dial in the back. So you can actually adjust the beam spread on this fixture. And it actually has the ability to where you can actually put it horizontal, or you can rotate this fixture vertical if you have a more narrow item or narrow feature that you need to light up. And you get two different cowls in the box. You get your horizontal cowl, and then you get your vertical cowl adjustable in the back. You decide if you want this in 27 or 3000 and with black or bronze finish. And then also the 5021, which a lot of you know about, it's been in the line forever. So 3 different sizes of wall wash, really, so you can customize your lighting job. So really cool options from WAC. And then Tom's going to go over now the 6401, the new linear Pathlight.
Thank you, Eric. So in 2020, WAC introduced the 6401. They call this a linear Pathlight. And the idea is in areas where you want to light a walkway but don't necessarily want that tall path light as a focal point, you can use this type product. So it's a very low to the ground application with a cowl that you can aim, and you aim the light to wash across a walkway without necessarily calling attention to the light itself, and being able to hide the source with adjustability. Once you have it where you want it adjusted, you can lock it in with an Allen wrench that comes in the box with it. Into the ground, you see these nice stainless steel stakes. That's going to hold it still. You may need a little extra height with it if you want to get it up over, say, some border edging or something. So it also has this riser in the box with it that you can add to the light and get a little extra height up off the ground. Now, this is a multi-use light. There's a lot of things you can do with it. Think about taking these stakes off and having the light mounted maybe on a wall and casting light down on a walkway. And I've had contractors tell me about using it that way. In addition, underneath where the wire is coming out, the power wire from the light, this is threaded so that you can screw a standard riser onto the light and actually turn it into maybe a wall wash behind shrubbery casting up on the wall. So a very versatile light fixture from WAC. It's available in 2700 and 3000 Kelvin. Today available in bronze, and very soon coming with the option of being black as well. That's a 6401.
Really cool thing about WAC, no matter what fixtures that we talk about, is all the accessories and everything you need normally comes in the box.
Yeah.
The main accessories that you need. So you don't really need to pick and choose what I need to buy or anything like that. What you need is normally going to come in the box. So this is the 5121. Okay, obviously you have your knuckle where you can adjust your angle of light here. And all of the adjustments are in the back. So you have your Kelvin on the left side here, and then you have your 1 to 9 watt sliding scale. Now, just like all our fixtures, there's no notches. It's a sliding scale, so you can go in between 1 or 9 or anywhere in between. Okay, so really, really cool fixture, very versatile fixture. Nice strong knuckle on it, nice beefy knuckle. Comes with your 6-inch, your 8-inch stake, just like normally our other fixtures does. So really, really cool fixture here. This, the 5221, this is the big one. We'll start off horizontally here. So this is how the fixtures stand alone. Here's your vertical, or here's your horizontal cowl. That's how it's going to come in the box. Okay. Your beam spread is a dial on the back. So you can choose, it's a very, very wide beam angle. And then we have our wattage from 3 watts all the way to 26 watts of LEDs. So that's a lot of light for commercial jobs.
Yeah, that light is strong enough that you have the option of using a low voltage 12-volt type light to actually light signage, do cul-de-sac signs, entryways, and even go up on 2-story buildings.
Yep, a lot of good commercial use. And then what we can do, or anywhere in between, if you have an angle or certain angle you want to hit, you can rotate this anywhere in between all the way to a completely vertical setting. And in the box, just like we talked about earlier, your vertical cowl comes in the box. So really, really cool fixture. This is the only wall wash that I know of that you can actually adjust the beam spread on.
Yeah.
In terms of adjustability. So really, really cool fixture. A lot of options, but a lot of cool things with WAC that allow you to really customize your lighting design and really think outside the box a little bit of how to really light something.
Right, and then not only that, what WAC is, think about it, with all the features that they have on their lights, including multiple of the accessory items that may be available in the lights, it makes it a versatile line, but also an efficient line. Think about how many SKUs, how many different parts you would have in your truck that the WAC line can replace with one light.
And it is very worth noting that WAC is in a great stocking position. They have a lot of the main lights that you need, and they have a lot of stock and they're ready to go. So, as always, for more information, you can visit our website, www.burnleyassociates.com. Tom Rivers and myself, we thank you guys for taking the time, and we'll see you